Hi everyone. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to download the PDF that is your Genius Hour checklist or your rubric. It's the grading document for this project, so it's super important that you are able to save it and view it, and communicate with me if for some reason you cannot. So in PowerSchool on assignments page, um, it says here, save the checklist link to the right in your science folder in Google Drive. Read the checklist, and then there's an arrow pointing to this box. This is the Genius Hour checklist. This is how you are graded. So what you'll do is you'll click on the link, and when you click on this link, a couple of different things might happen. If nothing happens, then it is likely because you've got a pop-up blocked. And if you have a pop-up that is blocked, you'll get a little image right here, a little icon you see up in the top right corner where the cursor is. So there's this little wing looking thing, and then next to it, if a pop-up is blocked, you'll have a little um, symbol that's popped up. If you click that, then it will give you a link that you can click, and it will open the blocked file. Once that pop-up is open, you'll see the file name, and this is a PDF file, and then you'll see all of the different places where you can store it. So I don't have the same folder that you have that says 2019, 2020, and then inside of that you have all of your class folders, but you can see here I have a remote learning folder, which is the documents that I'm creating for remote learning or for distance learning. And then you can see I have it saved in here, the checklist for Genius Hour presentation. So all you'll do is you'll go to this and you'll select your 2020 folder, you'll open up your science folder, and then you'll save it into that folder. And then from there, you should be able to open it and either print it at home if you can, or just be able to access that when you need to check it. Thanks.